Hi kids! This is Teacher Erica and welcome to Online Math Review. Today we're going to review for the first semester test. Parts of the test, we have part 1, listening for 15 points. Part 2, multiple choice for 15 points. Part 3, matching type for 15 points. Part 4 is all about problem solving. That's also for 15 points. So in this video, we will just cover the part 1 and the part 2 of the test. For the part 1, which is the first page in your test paper, so again, it's about listening skill, and you will practice reading the vocabulary first, then get your test paper. Make sure the test paper is with you while you're watching this video, and you have to listen to the words I say, okay? Encircle the correct word in every number. Again, encircle the correct word in every number. So let's practice reading first. Please repeat after me. Descending. Descending. Denominator. Denominator. Multiply. Multiply. Division. Division. Fraction. Fraction. Greatest. Greatest. Thousand. Thousand. Least. Least. Subtraction. Subtraction. Fourth. Fourth. Operation. Operation. Equation. Equation. Variable. Variable. Solution. Solution. Quotient. Quotient. Now, if you need more time to practice these words, okay, you need to pause this video and take your time to review or to study these words, okay, before you proceed watching this video or before you continue to watch this video. Now we are about to do the part 1 test. Are you ready? Okay, so for number 1, again, please be reminded that you need to encircle the correct word. Number 1, descending. Descending. Number 2, denominator. Denominator. Number 3, multiply. Multiply. Number 4, division. Division. Number 5, fraction. Fraction. Number 6, greatest. Greatest. Number 7, thousand. Thousand. Number 8, least. Least. Number 9, subtraction. Subtraction. Number 10, fourth. Fourth. Number 11, operation. Operation. Number 12, equation. Equation. Number 13, variable. Variable. Number 14, solution. Solution. Number 15, the last number, quotient. Quotient. Okay, so we're just done with the part 1 test. So now let's proceed to part 2. Multiple choice. So in this part of the test, I will give examples similar to the questions given in the test paper. Alright, so all you have to do is just to encircle the letter of the correct answer. Now let's have an example first. Multiplying fractions. We have 31 over 9 times 27 over 31. So as you can see, 31 here, there's another number or the same number 31 here. So all you have to do is just to cancel this out. Okay, then replace it with the number 1 because it's just like both can be divided by itself. So 1. Now proceed to multiplication. 1 times 27 equals 27. And then 1 times 9 or 9 times 1 equals 9. And then this time, as you can see, we can still simplify our answer because the 9 or 27 is divisible by 9. So we can still divide, or we can divide. So 27 divided by 9 is 3. So the final answer is 3. Now please answer question number 1 in your test paper. What is 7 over 3 times 6 over 7? I'll give you time to answer. Ready? Go! Okay, next. So we have here 3 over 5. The number 3 is the numerator. The number 5 is the denominator. Which fraction, or I mean, what fraction has a numerator of 4 and is equivalent to 1 over 2? So in our choices, just look for the 4 as numerator. So we have letter A and letter D, right? Okay. So which of them has or is equivalent to 1 over 2? Okay, letter. So for the letter A, okay, 4 divided by 4, 1. 8 divided by 4, 2. For the letter D, 4 divided by 4, 1. 12 divided by 4, 3. So this one wrong. The answer is letter A. 4 over 8. Now, please answer question number 2 in your test paper. Okay, next, replace value. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Round the number to the nearest hundreds. So we're talking about the whole number here. This is not a whole number part. This is a fractional part. So we're just looking here, okay? Hundreds, So the number 3 is in hundreds place. And then the next number is 0, which is less than 5, which means don't add 1. Okay, so the final answer is 300. All the digits behind will become 0. Now, please answer question number 3 in your test paper. Round the number to the nearest tenth. As you can see, there is a TH, which means we should look for the fractional part, which is here, all the numbers after the decimal point. So the 10th place is 1. Look to the next number, which is 7. 7 is greater or larger than 5, so which means you have to add 1. So the answer is 31.2. Now please answer question number 4 in your test paper. I'll give you time to answer. Next, round the number to the nearest hundredth. So TH, which means here. In a fractional part, the number is after the decimal point. So the 10th or the 100th place is 7. The next number is 4, which is less than 5. So which means you have to, or you don't have to add 1. So the answer is 3.17. The number stays the same. Now please answer question number 5 in your test paper. Okay, these are some of the list of the prime numbers. Okay, shaded in yellow. These are the prime numbers, the 2, 3, and then so on and so forth. Okay. All the prime numbers are shaded in yellow. And these are the first 100 prime numbers. Right? So if you need more time to take a look for these numbers, then you can just pause this video. But now let's proceed. Now answer question number 6 in your test paper. Which of the following are prime numbers? Again, you can just replay this part of the video, especially the part where I showed you the list of the prime numbers. Please don't forget to encircle the letter of the correct answer. Let's recap the prime factorization, or a quick review. So from the word itself, prime. So all you have to do is just to factor the numbers given. Okay, using or with the prime numbers. Okay. So example, we have 40 and 48. So let's break this down. First, the number 40. Think at two factors that when you multiply them, it becomes 40. So we have 10 times 4. Very good. And then, since the number 10 is not a prime number, so we have to break this down. 5 times 2. Do we still need to break this down, the number 5? No. How about the number 2? No. Because they are already a prime numbers. Okay, so we have to stop from there. And then how about the number 4 here? Okay, so we can break this down to 2 times 2. Alright? So the number 2 is already a prime number. So we should stop from there. And then next for number 48, think a 2 numbers that when you multiply them, it gives you 48. Alright. Oh, by the way, so these are the list of the factors of 40. So 2, how many 2's? 1, 2, 3. 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. This one. Okay, now proceed to 48. So 2 numbers that when you multiply them, it gives you 48. The answer is 6 and 8. Okay, or it can be 6 and 8. So we need to break the number 6 down because this is not yet a prime number. So let's break this down. 3 times 2. Alright. And how about the number 8? 4 times 2. Prime numbers, prime number, prime number, prime number. This is not yet a prime number, or this is not a prime number, so we need to break this down. 2 times 2. Okay, and then this one. So finish for this number. So the factors of 48 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Listing the prime factors, prime numbers only, okay? And then let's get their common factors. So 2 times 2 times 2, and then you have to find the product. So therefore, the HCF, or the highest common factor of 40 and 48 is 8. So this is how you're going to get the HCF. Now please answer question number 7 in your test paper. What is the HCF of 27 and 30? I'll give you time to answer. Ready? Ready? Go! Okay, next number. So the prime factorization again. 4 is 2 times 2. 8 is 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. Okay. So now we are getting a multiple of 4 and 8. So 2 times 2 times 2. So find the product. The multiple of 4 and 8 is 8. Again, we are getting multiple of 4 and 8. So that's why we should bring this down, all the numbers. So now, please answer question number 8 in your test paper. Which of these numbers is a multiple of 4 and 12? If you need more time, you can just pause this video and take your time to answer. Okay, now let's proceed. Which of the following numbers is a factor of 30 but not a factor of 20? The factor of 30 is 6 and 5. The factor of 20 is 4 and 5. Now, which factor of 30, or yeah, but cannot be found in the factors of 20. The factor of 30 but not a factor of 20. So we have here the list 6, 4, and then 5 for 30 and 20. A, 2, B, 3, C, 5, D, 6. The answer is D, 6. 6 is not a factor of 20, not a factor of 20. Okay, so now please answer question number 9 in your test paper. Which of the following numbers is a factor of 15 but not a factor of 12? Okay, let's proceed. Answer question number 10 in your test paper. Which of the following has both 3 and 6 as factors? I'll give you time to answer. Ready? Go! You can use an extra paper to list down all the factors of each number. Okay, so again, this is the list of prime numbers. The numbers that are shaded in yellow here, and then the first 100 point numbers here. Okay, now please answer question number 11 in your test paper. Which of the following numbers is not a prime number? If you need to replay or if you need to go back to the page where there's a list of prime numbers, then you can pause this part and go back there. Okay, if you need a time to answer number 11. Okay, next. Not a prime number. Okay, next. Which of the following shows the prime factorization of 18? Remember this? The one that I've showed you earlier. Okay, now please answer question number 12 in your test paper. How can you factor out 18? So again, this is the example. You can use 3 factoring. Next, what is the greatest number that can divide 14, 28, and 24? Now please answer question number 13 in your test paper. Next. Okay, so this is just a quick review about multiplying decimals. So it ends with 0 here, so just write 0, and then 4 times 3, 12, so 2 carry 1. 4 times 5, 20, plus 1, 21. Okay, then count the numbers or the digits after or behind the decimal point. So this is the decimal. 1. There's a 1 digit. Another decimal, 1 digit. So there are 2. In this example, 2 digits number means to move twice. So move twice. Alright, so the answer is, the product is 21.20. Now, please answer question number 14 in your test paper. All you have to do is just to multiply. If you need more time to answer this number, the question in this number, then you can just pause this video, okay? The time is on your side. Alright, last number. But first, I'll show you the example. Estimate the sum, which means to add, to the nearest hundred. So this is the 100. Okay. 8 is greater than 5. So 23.46 plus, this is 100. Next is 2. 2 is smaller than 5, so which means don't add 1 to it. The number stays the same. And then sum it up. So 23.46 plus 28.65 is approximately, when you add them, is approximately equal to 52.11. So this is an example for the question number 15. Now please answer question number 15. Alright, so that's all for today. The next video is for part 3 and part 4 of the test. Thank you for watching, kids. Goodbye.